van Trevon Tjebbe 500. 12 jaar inmiddels start triple A.
And we are going to continue with event 3. Looking at Tjebbe 500 Sport AAA, 12 years old. Bred and owned by the stud De Zadelhof. Sired by Bartele 472 from a star mare out of Dries. Preferent, I must say. Approved in 2017. And this horse, Tjebbe, is the first son out of Bartele 472, coming from a very strong line too. He exceeded in technique of his gaits with really beautiful marks for all three the disciplines: riding, driving and show driving. He has a star percentage of 58%, 7 crown mares and 5 horses with triple A in his descendants. And he already has an approved son, Case 531, available at the stud Bosma. And each of the events, we are doing event 3 right now, has a sponsor. And the sponsor for this event is Sabo Interior and Equipage. It designs and builds custom tech rooms, interiors and kitchens. And it's combining style, practical convenience and attention to detail. This company has roots in the equestrian world. And they know exactly, if you are a rider or an owner, what you want and need. If it's a large scale project or something small, they're approaching it for eye for detail. And you know what? Who doesn't want a nice tech room? For the people who have their catalog with them, we are in event 3 right now. Event 3 starts from page 115 in your catalog. And it's worth to have your catalog with you, because there's so much information in it about the horses. And if you go all the way to the back, especially if you want to breed, we have breeding values in there of all the stallions, life totals, all of their descendants and their marks, so you can make a well concerned choice about which stallion you're going to breed with.
Dus nog heel lang zien we Tjebbe 500. Kijk, kunststoer binnenkomen. De 501 sport dubbel aan 12 jaar. En pak bij Johan Onderdenking zonder zit van Willy Kolmer in de druk. Die is zo van Alwin 4-6 steken. De sterkheid en prestatiemeding van Robin 3-1. Dan de sterkheid en benadering van Keurnes 3-2 op de stand 8. Goedgekeurd in het najaar van 2017. 6 set in de dressuur. En stel al mooie score met gebeurde zoals Nico Bentley 8, Martinez 15, 9.
We are looking at Tide 501, 12 years old, Sport Triple A. Sired by Alwin 469, out of Star Preferent Mare, out of Lodewijk 431. Approved in 2017, performing in dressage. And he has a really nice score with approved sons, Nick 538 and Martinez 539. And then in America, in the United States, Sepke 549 and Siep 522 got approved last year. And Tide 501 was the first approved son out of the United States stallion Alwin 469. Tide has a beautiful conformation and is a noticeable horse in the arena. And also on the mare side, he has beautiful prestations with 74 star mares, 21 crown mares, and 12 descendants with triple A status. And that means he is definitely approved on his descendants. Available at Stad de Nieuwe Heuvel, this Tide 501.
Hier een prachtige presentatie, dames en heren, de directeur van Tide 501. Dames gaan weer voor en door. Hartelijk welkom vandaag op de WTC, dames en heren. En binnenkomst nu van Team 503, de sporteten van AX, de recente kampioen AX in het jaar 2023.
And we are looking at Tiemann 503, Sport Elite AAA. He was the reserve champion of the older stallions in 2023. 12 years old, sired by Cholle 454. From a Crown Sport A mare out of Harmen 424. He's performing in dressage in the small tour. And he is from line breeding, which means that his father and his mother coming from the same Fieldzicht mare line. coming together in the preferent Elisabeth. And she was the mother of the preferent stallion Feitze 293. And then Timon. He showed himself wonderfully in the central inspection in all three of the disciplines, scoring 86 for show driving. Means he is going into the footsteps of his father, Challe 454. In 2020, Timon 503 had the most first premium foals, and he is delivering a lot of sons to the first viewings. So we are waiting for his first approved son. Well, Timon, 11 crown mares, 1 sports, 8 descendants with triple A. He has a big resume. Available at the Van Manen and Gaasterland stud. And meanwhile, here in Leeuwarden, more and more people are joining us in the audience. Sold out as usual, and just like the shows yesterday and Thursday. For the people watching from home, it's definitely worth it to be here. So buy the ticket, get on a plane next year, and be here to have a taste of the atmosphere.
Allereerst laat naar zijn weer spectaculair zien en aanhoren de opleiding in deze week aangeboden door Simo Interieur en Equipage. De komst van de Waterweg 1-2 triple A. 11 jaar voor Pompey en de jongen Zalabert.
And arrived in the arena, the stallion Wander 512. Triple A, 11 years old. Huge results in the ABFP test for Wander. In December 2024, he got approved on his descendants with 1 crown mare, 2 star stallions and 7 horses with triple A. And many of his descendants are becoming championships. He's the only son of Lodewijk 431 that got approved, but he's coming from the Beard 411 mother. He is quite low in the kinship rate, and that's because his grandmother is a star preferent daughter out of Naan 264. Also in the mare line, the preferent Tjerk 328 and Jurre 284. Wander is a very much in the racial type standing horse. He was noticed in the central inspection because of his beautiful trot and excellent performance in all three of the disciplines, and his willingness to work. And Wander is available at stud at Friese Visser.
Oude mensen, daar is die nog meer de presentatie. De Waanderweg 1 tegen Triple A. Prestatie van Hengste Howard, weg 1.
And we are going to watch the presentation of Award 514. 10 years old, Sport Triple A. Sired by Johannes 484 out a model preferent double A mare from Andries 415. Further on in the pedigree we have Volkert. He is approved in 2019 and he was the first approved son out of the famous Johannes 484. It's coming from a lovely confirmation, strong mare line. And Award himself is elegant, modern, and very much in the racial type. Exceeding in trot and canter with his very, very good hind leg. Scoring over 80 points in all his tests, especially in show driving where he scored 86. And he delivered already 16 first premiums, elegant foals, a star percentage of 65%, 5 crown mares and 4 of them with the Triple A predicate. And Award 514 has his first approved son, Rutger 546. Available at stud at the Nieuwe Heuvel.
Komt hij nog een keer voorbij, dames en heren. Howard de Beck in 4. Gepresenteerd wordt Arend Beck in Beck. Sport dubbel A. Dit komt zo dadelijk van Arend Beck in Beck. Kampioen Noords 2023, algeheel reserve kampioen 2023. Mensen Beugels 10 jaar. Knokkers D aan dek staan en dek staat Peplicum, van Willy Kolmer, D aan dek staat en M dek staat.
And we are looking at Arend 515 Sport Triple A, 10 years old, bred and owned by the Dijkstra family, sired by Jouwe 485, out of Star Preferent Prestation Double A mare from Heitze 425. And the predicates are just flying around the ears today. And for Arend, he had a very good year already because he got approved on his descendants. He is a very talented dressage horse, scoring above 70% with his rider Marijke Boelen. Winning championships, he's an eye-catcher under the saddle, and he also likes it here in the arena. And Arend 515 is a horse that is very much in the racial type and showing a lot of progression throughout his inspection. He has a wonderful character and he's showing himself to be an all-rounder, riding or driving. He can do it all. Delivering 4 crown mares, 11 star stallions, 4 times Triple A. And the first sons of Arend are presenting themselves really well. So it's just waiting for the first son to get approved. And this stallion Arend is available at the Nieuwe Heuvel. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, he became champion in the Young Stallions in 23.
Ook de rechtsfans op de tribune. Nog een keer de prestatie, dames en heren, van Arend Beck in Beck. Dat je de dames en heren, onze KFPS-diensten, daar staat er toch perfect voor. Hier is dat toegewerkt.
And you know, this is one of those days that you can enjoy all those approved stallions. It's so lovely to be here.
En op de achterlaan hier bereiken de maanden bijna de bodem van het WTC.
And look at that.
Zitten de binnenkomst van de
His hair is almost touching the ground.
10 jaar
Boot 516 Sport AAA.
WTC wisselen. Je moet er een eigenaren. Zo van Jouwe 485, stemming van Ulrik 457, dan stemperfecten van Sietse 385, uitstand 54.
10 years old, bred by the Van de Ven family in ownership of TC Visser. Sired by Jouwe 485, coming from Uldrik 457 out of Stam 54. He got approved in 2019. And this horse also got definitely approved on his descendants. He was one of the first coming from Jouwe 485 that got approved. And Boot 516 is a very much in the racial type, very elegant horse with a lot of hair. He was one of the best in the central inspection in 2019, scoring a 9 for his walk. And then he deserved a AAA, not only in riding but also in the driving competitions for the central inspection. And other than racial type, Boot can also deliver technique in his trot and his canter and his willingness to work. He delivered 39 star mares. He has a star percentage of 61. And Boet is doing excellent in dressage together with Sabine van Loenhorst, deserving the sport predicate already. Available at stud at de Nieuwe Heuvel.
Wat een wagenheid doet de weg 1/6. Wat zal in deze revolutie nog weer goed? wachten we weer Hengsten en de hele groep komt weer in de laatste zodanig op dat zetten. Want dat gaat onze jury doen. Single interieur equipage.
And what's going to happen now? The people who know, they know. We're going to put them in order. We're going to place them because we're not just here to watch the approved stallions, we're also here to see who is most beautiful and performing at his best today.
Single interieur equipage ontwerpen bouwen zadelkamers, interieurs en keukens op maat. Elk ontwerp combineert snel, praktisch gemak en oog voor detail. Zero pakt het aan met oog voor detail, comfort, duurzaamheid en zadelkamers.
And our speaker Bert is talking about the sponsor of this event, sponsor Sobel Interior and Equipage.
Dames en heren, de voet bij Hengsten hier. En eens kijken wie er straks op kop geplaatst wordt. De jury is
And the
uit.
judging are still talking about the order of placement. And it's always a big puzzle to put together.
Zijn er nog niet?
And we are not there yet.
Even kijken. Wat die heeft. 501, hè?
Oh, this one. 501. Do you know which one it is?
Howard even hand houden daar.
And then, Howard, you have to stop here.
Best even aansluiten.
Everybody like having the final look. Okay, we're going to place them. Tide 501. Did you know? Next one, Howard. Then Boots 516. Arend 515. Chebbe 500. Tiemen. And then Wander. Going to put on the ribbons.
Anne Roedeman zal naar slotte de prijs uitreiken aan John KPS, Mirjam Ruiter aan het stuur.
And the ribbons are given by the board members of KFPS, our sponsor, and of course the KFPS board. We're going to listen to head of the judges, Sabine. Second event. These are the older stallions already approved. And this is a very difficult group. It took us a while to place them. We were looking for a model, racial type and movement. Placed first, Tide 501. And he has fans. Beautiful silhouette, long neck, nice front, good shoulders, a nice hind leg, excellent rhythm, beautiful suspension in the trot. And if we are looking at the ideal in the breeding goals, this represents it, Tide 501. And then another one of those beautiful horses, Howard 514. Youthful, long-lined, a lot of presence when he's in front of you. Strong top line, evenly built. When it comes to the walk and the trot, we would like to see a little bit more suspension, but well-deserved second place for Howard. And then Boots. When it comes to racial type, you will not find better. He is the most beautiful picture for the Frisian horse. So elegant. In the movements, he couldn't really find his rhythm today. But this beautiful horse, Boot 516, is deserving his place. Arend, very youthful horse. In the movement, he could convince us more, but he's doing so well. Arend 515. And then Chebbe. He's looking great. Shining. Very compact stallion with a good outlook, a nice rhythm in the walk, very eager in the trot, and it makes it hard to keep him calm.
En dan Tiemen.
And then Tiemen.
Tiemen is ook een heks met een heel prachtig hoofdje.
Tiemann has a beautiful head, has a good croup. In the movement, he could convince us a little bit more today, even though it's a beautiful stallion. And then Wander, a very proud horse. He has seen this arena already a few times. Very much in the racial type. Very strong top line. Excellent trot with a beautiful hind leg. In the walk, he was not at his best today. This Wander. And then the first two horses are invited for the championships later today. We're going to do the lap of honor. And let's enjoy these horses one more time.
Back in 6. Adams, back in back. Jumper, back 0. Tiemann, back 0. And Wander, back in 10. Daarin zijn de eerste twee heksen bekend. Ze wordt kampioenskeuring. Oude heksen, tiende, weg 0-1 en Auwert, weg 1-4 keren terug.